Hello, I'm Sarah Glatter. I'm a third-year computer engineering student with a mathematics background, or a minor. I'm from all over Maine, actually, but right now I live in Orono. So when I was 11, my dad brought home a Raspberry Pi, which is a mini computer. After I overcome my initial disgust that it wasn't actually a real Raspberry Pi that you could eat, I actually was really excited and I started to code in Python in it. I also like to build and research and kind of create. And I'm not saying you can't do that in computer science, but especially in computer engineering or electrical engineering, you have the opportunity to design your own boards, design projects, and do a little bit more hands-on and in person. And that's what originally drew me. So I actually was quite young, so I knew for quite a while that I wanted to do something in computers. And then once I learned a little bit more about the computer engineering program at UMaine, I knew that it was a great fit for me. One of the reasons that the computer engineering program at Orono at UMaine is a great fit is that I am from Maine. I grew up when I was in high school in Houlton, Maine, and also there's a family history at the university. Both my mom and my dad, and actually even my grandfather, went here. And at the time when I was considering going to computer engineering, my brother and my sister were attending Orono. So I knew that I had family down here. I knew that it wouldn't be as intimidating to attend. And I also had a summer camp that I went to at the university when I was younger. And I loved the campus. I loved some of the staff that I got to meet. So I knew that it was a perfect fit. I also have always wanted to be a teacher, and so for me, I didn't always want to teach elementary school or high school. I wanted to teach upper level and be a professor in college. And I've noticed there has been, I guess you could say, less women in the field of computer engineering, and especially less women teachers. So I saw that there was an opening for somebody like me. And I have a lot of women role models in my life, and I wanted to be somebody like that for perhaps somebody in computer science or computer engineering. That's fun. Yeah, so math is a really, really important concept in engineering, and especially in computer engineering. As I said before, I have actually a mathematics minor, and I only had to take 1 or 2 extra classes. So if you're in high school and you're interested in mathematics, that's actually really similar to computer engineering. You might not even understand some of your concepts that actually overlap. So if you're interested in mathematics and how they work, a math minor or a math major might be interesting for you, but also consider computer engineering and computer science because they are tied deeply into the mathematics realm. And one of the reasons that I chose computer engineering instead of computer science is, though they both use and overlap with coding, computer engineering gets to solve problems and real life problems. They get to see a problem in day-to-day life and get to design a concept and get to work on it and problem solve and fail a little bit and then pick up the pieces and try again. And similar to mathematics, you have to have a strong background. You have to have knowledge and you have to have rules and facts. And from that, you can kind of build a building block of your problem and solve that. One of the things that I love about the University of Maine is that there's so many different clubs and activities that we can participate in. Especially in the computer and electrical engineering department, there's a club called IEEE, which is a nationwide club for computer and electrical engineers. And also there's another club very similar to that, which is called HKN, which I'm a member of. And that's also a club for computer and electrical engineers. And we can attend meetings, talk about classes, have fundraisers to run for the department and also for ourselves. There's also a club called SWE, which is also nationwide. It's Society of Women Engineers, and I attend that club as well. And it's a great place to meet other women engineers, not just in your degree, but also all over, and also in STEM degrees. And so everybody's welcome, and it's really amazing to get to meet other engineers. After college, I plan to continue my education and earning a master's degree and then hopefully a PhD degree. I want to become a professor in either computer engineering, mathematics, computer science, something in the STEM realm. Also, I have tons of opportunities here, even as an undergraduate, to continue my education. Next semester, in my 3rd year, I am going to be participating in some research work as an undergraduate student. And from there, I plan to grow my knowledge, get better at research, since that is an important part of being a professor and being in the educational background. I also have had the opportunity to get an internship at, here at the university doing research work over the summer. And so that, in addition to other internships that many other computer and electrical engineers can do, furthers your education. Even if you're not taking classes, you're learning and you're growing and you're learning what you want to do. So hopefully, with all of that knowledge, you can pursue your degree and you can pursue your desired job, and perhaps it'll change, perhaps it'll stay the same, but that's really what I think it's good for.